Action! She's gonna fall. I almost go into the snow. Go into the snow. Uh-oh. Go into the snow, Elise. Oop. Uh-oh. I have to get her in the light.
She almost went down.
Elise, I really want you to stay. I have to pee. I know, so do I. Yellow snow. Anybody want a snow cone? Look how deep our snow is.
Labor Day.
Look at that. Look at it.
It's my snow.
Oh, God, that hurt, dude. It's cold.
Watch, this doesn't work out too well. Watch. You'd be like,
this is ice on the ground. Okay, that's why she's slipping so much. She's not that retarded. Okay, don't go down the hill, but don't go too fast. Careful, there's we have to help her. We have to take her to the emergency room. Bye.